Okay guys, so I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of disclaimers in this video, so please bear with me. So the hairstyle that I was wearing before was kind of like this low ponytail with bundle. So right now what I'm doing is just undoing the bundle so I could start prepping my hair for the wig. So as you guys can see, my hair was pretty gelled down. I'm just gonna get this water bottle and spray my edges and just kind of like the perimeter of my face where I have like that hair to soften it up a little bit. And this is the wig that I'm gonna be wearing today. I bought this wig like such a long time ago, so I don't even know, like I have an idea what website I got it at, but like it was just, this wig is so old and she's still pulling through. So now I'm just gonna split my hair down the middle. This is my favorite part for this particular wig. Like if I'm gonna wear it down the middle, I'll obviously part it down the middle. I also do wear it to the side, like a side part. In that case I would just part it to the side. So now I'm just gonna start French braiding my hair. I don't want to say that you want to braid your hair tight, but you do want to make sure that your hair is laying flat. Remember that we are gonna be putting a wig on top of it. So like I have, I don't have a lot of hair, but I have quite a bit of hair. So I try my best to lay them as flat as I possibly can, because if I don't and I get kind of messy with the braids, then my wig is gonna look all bulky and bumpy. So this part I really do emphasize it, and it's probably one of the most important parts when, you know, applying a wig, just taking care of your hair under. Once I'm done with the braids, I'm just gonna cross them over and secure them with a bobby pin. And right when I'm done doing that, I'm just going to just kind of hold everything in place with my wig cap. Okay, so now I'm finally just applying on the wig, and throughout this part what I'm going to be doing is not only styling the wig but just also making sure that it blends in well, as you guys could see. And you guys are going to see that throughout this part I just really take it off and put it back on again and really just play with it, because once I secure it down with like the gel and the heat, it's pretty much where it's going to stay throughout the rest of the time that I'm going to be wearing it. So it's just a lot of like playing with the wig and manipulating it and kind of just giving the illusion that the hair is coming out of your scalp.
For music.